Tunay nga kasal ay isang sugal.
All of my friends are a mess, just trying to make sense of how to live in a
Di mo alam kung mananalo ka, matatalo o kahit bawi man lang.
round and round we go.
Remember, 25 years ago on our
Me
reception,
and my friends, we get stressed about the stupid
one of our guests said, si Raymond no, tumama ng loto. Jackpot!
round and round we go.
Sabay bawi. Di bale si Risa din naman. Tumama din ng loto. Balik tayo nga lang. Year passes by na para bang ang dami ko gustong patunayan.
We can't even save us.
Realizing that marriage is not just a feeling, but a commitment.
Let's go take a walk downtown and act like we're the heroes that we dreamed we'd be when we were young. We can be the giants in the streets we learn to drive in, and we'll ride away into the sun.
Love you, Daddy. Super love you.
Let's all welcome right here, Alan is unweighted, and Marisa!
I promise again and again my unconditional love and undying devotion. To not ask you to be more than you are, but to love you for being you.
Sa hirap at ginhawa,
Sa dusa,
sa dus at likala,
ikaw lamang kung aking
ikaw lang ang aking ibigin
napitatali
at itatang
na parugtong ng aking
nakarugtong ng aking buhay
ngayon at magpahirap.
ngayon at magpakailanman. Daddy, Raymond, my best friend. Ito ako, nakaharap ulit sa'yo. Kasama ka, kapiling ka, for 25 years, and still counting, hindi bibitaw. Andito lang ako, kasama mga anak mo. Walang sawaan. Basta andito lang ako. Till death do us part. Love you, Daddy.
Take a walk downtown and act like we're the heroes that we dreamed we'd be when we were young. We can be the giants in the streets we learn to drive in, and we'll ride away into the sun. Let's go take a walk downtown. Heroes that we dreamed we'd be when we were young. We can be the giants in the streets we learn to drive in, and we'll ride away into the sun.
Na-excite ako na ayokong matapos yung moment na to. Kasi parang ang saya lang. Ang saya na. Salamat. Thank you for always taking chances sa patuloy mong pagtaya sa akin. Di alintana ako mananalo, matatalo, o makakabawi ka man lang.
There is no rhyme or reason why. The less it makes sense, the more we try to be closer to.
And as I pledged 25 years ago my loyalty and promises to comfort, honor and keep you in sickness and in health, and for richer and for poorer,
Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lang ang aking ibig.
Bring me closer to being known.
At itatapin, makarugtong ang aking buhay. Ngayon at
So hard to sleep. The heart becomes fire. The soul that becomes the
today, as I stand once again, I will always, and I promise to love and cherish you through whatever life brings us. Kahit gaano pa kalaking pagsubok ang kaharapin natin, lagi mong tatandaan sa araw-araw. Minahal kita kahapon. Minamahal kita ngayon. Ang tafali kita bukas.